Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why.
YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. I hope you're all enjoying the long Labor Day weekend. I'm not sure if you remember, but it's still the 35th anniversary for the Air Max 1. And to help celebrate, Patta has put together a wave project where they have released thus far 5 different Air Max 1 colorways. And on August 26th, they dropped their 6th release, which included this white colorway. And shout out to them. The release was through their website, and they look to fight off the bots pretty successfully. Now, this colorway seems to be very plain and simple and clean, but the materials look like they have hidden gems.
You my Eve, you my prime rib. Skipping through your garden, jungle is my climate. Bite the apple if I find it. No strings like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Mayweather, jab, left, right. Sticky if you're nasty. High five, waistline, ass cheek, slow grind, slip, glide.
You ain't gotta lie in front of me. Shout out to the women that get high and wanna leave. I won't get in your way of being free. I don't have a gavel, you can fuck me in a team. I'ma keep it GC 103. You're looking for something special, you should stop looking at me. Just answer when I call. I got 99 problems, but with you I'm unbothered.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Make it bang. Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Make it why you go? Make it pain go. Make it pain go.
I got 99 problems, make me sure. Look, the day I met her, she doused in black leather. Drooling from her mouth as if a bow had never fed her.
The base material that's on the toe box and wrapping around the ankle collar is the initial standout when first looking at these Air Max 1s because the gray mesh contrasts the white uppers so much. And the mesh has like an interesting thing going. It's kind of soft, but it also has like a rigid texture to it. When you rub your finger across the mesh, it feels like you're kind of rubbing your finger across a cheese grater. Now, speaking about those white uppers, the second overlay that wraps around the forefoot right below the toe box with mid panels on both the lateral and medial sides, and once again on the heel, is a soft white leather. And even though the leather is soft, it has cracks in it. There's also a tag that comes with the sneaker that lets you know the cracks may peel the more that you wear the sneaker.
I don't have a gavel, you can fuck me in a team. I'ma keep it GC 103. You're looking for something special, you should stop looking at me. Just answer when I call. I got 99 problems, but with you I'm unbothered.
The last overlay on these uppers is going to be the leather on the mud guard, which essentially wraps around 99% of the sneaker. Now, this white leather does not have cracks in it, but it does have a synthetic material over it that just gives the sneaker shine. And it's not patent leather. And to be totally honest with you guys, I searched high and low. I could not find the name. I can't remember the name of what you'd call this material, but I do like it. If you know the name of it, hit the comments. But it does give a nice detail to the sneaker that I'm a fan of. And then the remaining details on the uppers is going to include the gray stitched in baby swoosh on the lateral side of the toe box. The gray swooshes on both the lateral and medial sides are finished in a plush gray leather. And then finally, the Nike Air logo is stitched into the heel using silver threading.
Let's get into it. Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Clothes painted on you, kinda close, yeah. You know you the jelly to my butter roll. I could be your moonshine all around your globe, girl. You got my heart changed.
The shiny white leather material is used again for the tongue. And at the top of the tongue, there is a white tag that has the silver Patta Air Max text stitched into it. And sitting on top of the tongue are the flat white laces that come with these Air Maxes. And there's an additional sail flat pair that comes into the box. Also, there's a white cotton material used behind the tongue and for the inside lining. And down at the bottom, you have your white insoles with the gray Patta logos printed on them.
You ain't gotta lie in front of me. Shout out to the women that get high and wanna leave. I won't get in your way of being free. I don't have a gavel, you can fuck me in a team. I'ma keep it GC 103. You're looking for something special, you should stop looking at me.
Like a lot of collabs these days, the midsoles on these Air Max 1s are going to be finished off in sale to give them that nice vintage look that so many people are a big fan of right now. the airbag on these Air Maxes are going to be gray. Finally, the sneaker is finished off with a white outsole and a huge gray accent in the forefoot area.
Make your pain go, make your pain go.
Look, the day I met her, she doused in black leather. Drooling from her mouth as if a bow had never fed her. Boiling polar caps and
The Patta Wave project has been a successful one with this sneaker, the black colorway, the aquas and the monarchs being the most sought after out of the pack. And some would say this is a very basic or simple colorway, but honestly, I think go with the sail laces. It will give the sneaker a little bit more pop, add a little character to it. And let's not forget, the materials on the shoe are really, really good with the different types of leather that's on the uppers. And I would love to see what happens when the cracks start to peel off. The retail on these are $170 and sold out on Patta's website. And I'm not sure if they're going to release in the US, but if you follow me on Instagram, I'll share that information once it's made available. They do have the regular Air Max 1 Comfort, and they are true to size. On a scale of 1 to 5, these are getting a 3.5 from me. Again, solid colorway, clean sneaker. I just don't know if they're a must-have. And I would love for you guys to hit the comments. Let me know if you agree, disagree. If you have not done so, subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when I got new videos dropping. I'm out.
Why you go? Why you go?